a lot of battles. Merchants start to be rich, but in the end they are too much. That's why barbarians, they saw them, they attack them, the decadence start. Okay, so starting.
This is all original?
No copy.
No.
Which one? That is original. Yes, yes.
Even with the metal braces?
Exactly. This is all original.
And this
Okay.
floor too?
No, the mosaic,
Floor.
yes. The dimensional mosaic is original. Okay. The statue is a copy. Original we have in Naples.
Talk about construction problems. Imagine how long it took to build this
Half
entry.
man, half
Yeah,
devil.
but probably didn't have too many permitting problems though.
Starting a dance. Dolce Vita. Mixed all the slaves inside, all together when he was to have a party. Okay? This artist is important. Use the same technique they use the Romans. After when you come back, you come back in 2 minutes. You want? Now this was many rooms on the right and the left. Bedroom. And the dimensional mosaic. That really speaking was dining room here. But remember, it was with roof here, okay? So now we're going to see the first and the second garden. You have another mosaic decoration.